Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about letter of credit, LOC. LOC. What is letter of credit? What's the term letter of credit? Now we are going to discuss. Uh, Here is one example and notes for examination purpose. Letter of credit. LOC is a financial document issued by a bank. LOC is a financial document issued by a bank on behalf of a buyer who is a importer, that guarantees payment to a seller, that is exporter, once certain conditions have been met. Means LOC is a financial document which is issued by bank on behalf of buyer who wants to import goods from the seller, means foreign or exporter, once a certain condition have been met. Essentially, it is the promise from the bank. It's the promise from the bank that it will make payment to exporter, provided the exporter can comply with the terms and condition of letter of credit. If buyer or importer does not pay the amount or certain amount to the exporter or seller, then the bank should be guaranteed for the payment to the exporter. There are generally three parties involved in letter of credit transaction: importer, who is buyer; exporter, who is seller; and issuing bank, the bank that issue letter of credit. Issuing bank, the bank that issue letter of credit. The LC, short form, letter of credit, acts as a form of security for the exporter. For whom? For exporter, as it provides assurance that they will be paid for goods or services they are providing. Let's take one example. Suppose a Nepalese company wants to import machinery from a supplier in Germany. The German supplier may require the Nepalese company to provide a LOC as a guarantee of payment before they ship the machinery. The German supplier requires the Nepalese company to provide LOC. Means German company, they ask to the Nepalese company to provide LOC as a guarantee, that is security of payment, before they ship the machine, before they import the machine to Nepalese company. In this case, the Nepalese company would approach their bank. Means now the Nepalese company will go to the bank and the bank issue the letter of credit, to the foreign or exporter or seller. The issuing bank, means Nepalese company, would then send the letter of credit to the bank in Germany known as advising bank. The advising bank is in the Germany of the seller's bank, that is seller's bank is advising bank, which would then notify the German supplier. The advising bank, that is Germany bank, will notify the German supplier, that is seller, about the LOC. That means the goods, the machines that you have exported is fully secured, or I have got the LOC from the Nepalese bank. In this way, the the exporter will export the machinery to the Nepalese company, because they have guarantee about the payment. The LOC will state the amount of money that issuing bank is willing to pay German supplier. The LOC will state the amount. In the LOC, it contains the date or how much amount to be pay secure in the LOC. The LOC would state the amount of money that is issuing bank is willing to pay the German supplier, the document required to be submitted, and deadline for the submitting the document. Finally, LC are commonly used in international trade to reduce the risks for both buyer and seller. This is important point. When a buyer and seller are located in different countries, they may face challenges such as different legal and financial system and language barriers and the distance between them. LC provide a secure way for both the party to conduct their trade transaction as the bank assume the credit risk of the buyer. That means LOC means one, it's like a guarantee or security provided to seller or exporter. That much for today. LOC. Thank you so much.